Hi everyone, I'm Darryl. So we work in infectious diseases and we've designed a very rapid point of need diagnostic based on gold nanoparticles conjugated to DNA. And these target pretty much any bacterial cell you want them to and can be tuned effectively. And this is based largely on highly repetitive stretches of DNA copies that are present thousands of times in the genome. That's great if you're looking for a single species. We're using, with Iril, who's here, a relatively straightforward algorithm, but what we need to do is make sure these are strain, species, genus specific in complex scenarios, and that's where we think AI can help us. And rather than being a very visual, and there should be a nice little thing at the bottom there showing you the presence of, maybe ever do that, yep, presence of what the test looks like. It's a yes, no, but I think with AI we'll be an really interrogate that surface chemistry, the density, all sorts of deep tech approaches to developing these so they will be quantitative, not just qualitative. Thank you very much.